application. First chapter, Adobe Page. Create a new document in the Adobe PageMaker. Create a new document. First choose the file menu. In that file menu, new in the menu bar, or press Ctrl N in the keyboard. Enter the appropriate setting for your new document in the document setting dialog box. Next step, click OK means the new document is open. Entering text in the document. In PageMaker, text of the document can be typed inside a text block, so you must use the text tool to create those text blocks. After creating the text block, you can type the text directly into the text block. As the characters are typed, the flashing vertical bar called the insertion point move to the right. When the text being typed reaches the end of the text block, PageMaker will automatically wrap the text to the next line. The Enter key must not be pressed at the end of each line in the text block. The Enter key should be pressed only at the end of the paragraph or when a blank line is to be inserted. Next, editing text in the document. Editing means making changes to the text. When you edit a document, you revised it text. First, selecting text, deleting text, undo command, copying and moving the text. These are the editing text in the document. Next, text block. A text block contains text you type, paste or import. Creating a text block with the text tool. Moving a text block. Resizing a text block. Splitting a text block into two. Rejoining split blocks. Placing text. That is mean importing. Placing text. Next, threading text block. Text blocks that are connected in this way are threaded. The process of connecting text among text block is called threading text. Magnifying and reducing with the zoom tool. Magnifying and reducing with the zoom tool. Use a zoom tool to magnify or reduce the display of any area in your publication. You can also double click the zoom tool is jump to actual size or press Alt as you double click the tool to go to fit in Windows view. Formatting a document. Formatting is the process of changing the general arrangement of text, that is, improving the appearance of the text by using various font color and font style. A font is a set of letters, numbers or symbol in a certain style. Each font looks different from other fonts. Drawing. There are so many drawing tools in PageMaker, that is line tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool and polygon tool are 4 main drawing tools. Working with page. The main purpose of PageMaker is composing pages. You can insert new page into a document, remove existing pages, move between pages and sort pages in a large document. Master page. Master pages commonly contain repeating logos, page numbers, headers and footers. They also contain non-printing layout guides such as column guide, ruler guide and margin guides. The master item cannot be selected on a document page. Can create, modify and delete object on master page just like any other object, but you must do so from the master page themselves. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.